Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing gear and environment so noise control actually works. First, update Solo 3 firmware and charge above 50% to avoid drops. Next, fit the cups firmly. You want passive seal more than looser comfort. Then, pick a quiet room with curtains or soft furniture to cut reflections. Once done, set your audio source to 256 kbps or lossless if possible. Make sure Bluetooth codec is AAC or SBC, depending on your device for lowest latency and consistent response. Now you apply signal processing moves to simulate noise canceling. You enable adaptive EQ on your phone or use a parametric equalizer to gently boost 100 to 300 Hz for fuller bass and reduce 2 to 6 kHz harshness that brings in background chatter. Then activate any device-level noise suppression or ambient reduction features. These help mask low-frequency hum. Once set, play pink noise or test tracks and tweak until external noise is minimized, while vocals and transients remain clear and natural sounding. Finish by optimizing comfort and safety while locking in noise reduction. You set playback volume to a safe 60 to 75 dB target and recheck the seal. Small adjustments in headband tension or foam inserts often close remaining gaps. If bass is muddy, slightly lower 80-120 Hz and raise 400-800 Hz for clarity. If things go wrong, reset the Solo 3, forget and repair the Bluetooth device, and test with a wired adapter or another phone to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.